If you need to find your Namecheap cPanel server information, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly where to look inside your Namecheap cPanel so you can find the server details you need in just a few seconds. This is useful if you're setting up email, connecting a website, updating DNS records, or just trying to confirm your hosting information. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website and hosting tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap cPanel account. Once you're inside the cPanel dashboard, take a look at the menu on the right side of the screen. This is where Namecheap displays important account and server details. On the right side, you'll see a section called General Information. This is the area you want to focus on. Under General Information, you can view your server information. Depending on what you need, this may include details like your server name, IP address, and other hosting-related information. If you're trying to connect a domain, configure a website, or share hosting details with a developer, this is the section that usually has the information you're looking for. So again, the process is very simple. Log into Namecheap cPanel, look at the right side menu, and check General Information to find your server information. That's really all there is to it. No extra tools, no complicated steps, just a quick check inside your dashboard. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.